Nowadays, everybody is conscious of their weight. It is because of our eating habits as junk food has become a part of our diet. Weight gain has become a universal problem due to our lifestyle. Either we don't have enough time to go to the gym or not enough space to carry out exercises. Some people even cannot perform any workout due to any physical disorder. In some cases, people perform exercises but can't control their cravings for mid-meal snacks. The healthy snacks between the meals curb hunger and lead to a fewer calorie intake. As a result, you can lose weight. Let us discuss a few healthy snacks in this video which are delicious and help you lose weight. Number 1. Nuts. These are a natural powerhouse of nutrition and helps you in a healthy weight loss. Almonds are the most worth mentioning here. These are rich in fiber, which keeps your hunger away and significantly loses your healthy weight. Almonds help in improving cardiovascular health and lose belly fat. Number 2. Roasted chickpeas. These are small in size but fulfill the requirements of a healthy and nutritious diet. Roasted chickpeas are very beneficial in weight loss. These have a nutty flavor and are packed with fiber and protein. Fiber satiates your hunger and keeps you full for a more extended period of time. Number 3. Frosted grapes. The grapes are sweet fruit and contain sugar, so these are helpful to satisfy your sweet tooth. Take 1 cup of grapes and refrigerate them for 10 minutes. These frozen snacks are healthy and nutritious and contain only 100 calories, contributing to losing weight. Number 4. Dark chocolate. Losing weight does not require you to skip the foods you crave. Instead, you can give many treats to yourself to satisfy your cravings. Dark chocolate is a healthy snack and proves to be beneficial in losing weight. Number 5. Popcorn. Popcorn is a whole grain and constitutes fiber and protein. As mentioned earlier, intake of fiber aids in healthy weight loss, and popcorn is a worth mentioning snack in this regard. Number 6. Banana. Unripe bananas are a healthy snack and beneficial in losing weight. These are also rich in calcium and fulfill your cravings for sweetness. Number 7. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a natural blessing in terms of losing weight. It is a complex carb, therefore it fulfills your requirements of a whole diet. It contains fiber and a healthy snack which assists you in weight loss. You can eat oatmeal for breakfast or as a snack during meals. Number 8. Carrots. Carrots are a full-time hydrating snack. These are a healthy and brilliant source of weight loss. Number 9. Blueberry. Blueberry is a refreshing fruit and acts as a healthy snack and losing weight. These are rich in fiber and an antioxidant. Mix half cup of blueberries and half cup of banana and add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Blend these ingredients in 1/3 cup of milk. This delicious smoothie will work as a healthy snack and helps in weight loss. Number 10. Salad. The most significant healthy snack is vegetable or fruit salad. You can add cucumber, tomato, cabbage, carrot, avocado, apple, and any fruit or vegetable of your choice to make a salad. It will instantly feel you full and let you feel your intake of calories. Number 11. Baked egg and avocado. Eggs and avocados are protein-rich foods and help in losing weight. Bake an egg with no sodium or added ingredient and eat it with an avocado. It is a healthy snack and contains only 200 calories. The fiber in avocados and choline in egg yolk both aid in weight loss.